Hello everyone. Today we will study about ecosystem and its type. So, what are ecosystem? Ecosystem is a place where living and non-living things interact with each other. Means ecosystem is an area where both living and non-living things stays together and coexist. So next one is, what are the types of ecosystem? We divide ecosystem on two bases. First one is based on their origin and second one is based on their habitat. Now we will study about them one by one. First one is based on origin. Origin means how they were developed. So based on that, there are two types of ecosystem. One is natural and another one is artificial. Natural ecosystems are those ecosystems which are formed by nature without any involvement of human. For example, natural ecosystem example is river, then forest. These both are example of a natural ecosystem because they are formed by nature and not by humans. Artificial ecosystems are those ecosystems which are formed by man and there is no involvement of nature. For example, crop field, then any kind of garden. These are example of artificial ecosystem. Then next we will move forward to types of ecosystem based on their habitat. What are habitat? Habitat is a place where living thing lives. Means where we are living, that is our habitat. So based on habitat, there are two types of ecosystem. First one is terrestrial and second one is the aquatic. Terrestrial ecosystem are those ecosystem which exist on the land. For example, forest we can see it is an example of terrestrial ecosystem. Crop field also you can say it is an example of terrestrial ecosystem. Then next one is aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystems are those ecosystems which exist in the water. Then they are further of two types based on the concentration of the salt. So if the concentration of salt is very less or negligible in the water, then those ecosystems are considered as a freshwater ecosystem. For example, river, it is an example of freshwater ecosystem. Then second one is marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystems are those ecosystems in which concentration of salt is very high. For example, sea and ocean. So this was about types of ecosystem and what is an ecosystem. Thank you.